Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having an amazing field day. I know that our specialist teachers put a lot of work and a lot of time into creating all those activities for you, so I hope you are having a great time. Next year's field day will look a lot different. We'll be together, or you'll be with your first grade teacher. I'll be with the new kindergartners, and we'll be on the field and we'll be playing, and it'll be much different, but for now, we're gonna make the best of it, okay? So, I have a challenge for you. This challenge is a drawing challenge. It's a listening challenge. It's a following directions challenge. It is a position word challenge and a shape challenge too. I'm going to ask you to draw a picture. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I want in your picture. And I'm going to tell you exactly where to put all the different items in your picture. But I'm not going to show you what it's supposed to look like. You're going to have to listen and you're going to have to follow along. And then after you've drawn your picture, you're going to go over to Flipgrid and you're going to show me what your picture looks like. And then I'm going to reply to you in Flipgrid and I'm going to show you what my picture looks like. Okay? Sound good? So this is going to be a bit of a challenge. I like a challenge. First thing you need is a piece of paper. So go grab yourself a piece of paper. I also used a marker, or I'm going to use a marker. You can use crayon, you can use a pencil, pen, whatever, but you need a paper and you need something to write with, okay? Then, to make it easier, because I'm gonna use words like left and right, take your paper, hold it the long way like this, and fold it in half. So when you fold it in half, you're gonna have a line right down the middle. And this is going to be the left side and this is going to be the right side. Okay, so this line, when I say put this on the left, it means on the left side of that line because that's the middle. Okay, so you ready to go? So you got your paper, you got something to write with, and you folded your paper to give yourself a left and a right. Here we go. First thing I want you to do on your paper for your picture is I want you to draw a sun in the top left corner of the paper. So remember I said this was position words. So I used left, I used top. Those are position words. That tells you where something is. So if I said just draw a sun, you could put it anywhere, but I want it in the top left corner, okay? Please give your son some sunglasses and a smile, okay? If I go too quickly for you, boys and girls, just pause the video and then start it when you've caught up, okay? Now, you are going to put one puffy cloud in the top left of your paper and one puffy cloud in the top right of your paper. So nice puffy cloud. When I make my clouds, I kind of make this kind of a motion with my marker or my pen to give it some puff. Okay, so one puffy cloud in the top left, one puffy cloud in the top right. So you have a sun and you have two clouds. So far so good? Okay, I want you to put one bird in the top left of your paper and one bird in the top right. Now, when I say put a bird, it doesn't have to be a real professional looking bird. When I make a bird, it looks like a V. That's how I've always drawn my birds. That's how my mom showed me when I was little, and that's what I still do now. So I need one bird left, one bird in the right. Good? All right, moving on. So you have that line in your paper because you folded it in half, right? We're gonna put something right on that line. I want you to draw a tall, so not a long, a tall rectangle. Now it's not going up into the sky. It's a tall rectangle right on that line. This is gonna be a house. So give me a tall rectangle right on that line. And on top of that tall rectangle, I want you to draw a triangle for the roof. So on top of the rectangle, give me a triangle. This is our house. All right, you ready? Our house has 2 square windows. Give your house 2 square windows. And our house has a rectangular door. One last thing our house has is a circular doorknob. Listen to all these shapes. Circular, triangular, rectangular. All right, so you have your house right there in the middle. Okay, so that house is in the middle. Now, on the left side of the house, I want you to draw 2 flowers. And you can make them however big you want to make them. 2 flowers on the left side of the house. You can color them in later if you want to. I just left mine with marker. All right, last detail in this picture. Ready? On the right side of the house, I want you to draw a very tall, skinny rectangle, taller than your house. This is going to be a tree. So give me a tall rectangle on the right side of that house. And on top of that tall rectangle, you're going to draw the top of that tree. I did mine kind of like the way I do the clouds, kind of puffy. Because you can see the trees behind me. The trees are filled with leaves right now. All right, last detail. Draw an oval in the trunk of the tree. That's going to be our squirrel hole. Okay, draw an oval in the middle of the tree trunk. So not way up near the top and not at the bottom. All right. How does your picture look? Were you able to follow all those position words? Left and right and top and middle and above. So once your picture's done, head over to Flipgrid, show me what your picture looks like, and I'm gonna reply to you and show you what my picture looks like, and we'll see how well you did listening, following directions, using those position words, drawing those shapes, okay? All right, I can't wait to see all your pictures. Have a great day. Oh, and I hope I see you tomorrow. I hope you come to school tomorrow and get your name tag, your cubby tag, I have a journal for you. I have the rest of your math book for you. Your headphones from Centers. I have bags of stuff for you. And I also have a little end of the year treat for you. So I hope I get to see you tomorrow, 9 o'clock at the Parker School. All right, have a great day and enjoy the rest of Field Day.